Axel Honneth and the transformative power of recognition theory. Have you ever stopped to think about what truly drives human conflict, social protests, and the deep emotional pain we feel when we are treated unfairly? When we look at major historical movements, such as the fight for civil rights, labor strikes, or modern campaigns for dignity in the workplace, economists and politicians often try to explain these events using purely financial terms. They argue that people protest simply because they want more money, better resource distribution, or a larger share of material wealth. However, a brilliant and highly influential German philosopher and sociologist named Axel Honneth looked closely at human history and our everyday personal relationships and realized that financial greed or material desires do not capture the true heart of human struggle. To explain what is actually happening inside our hearts and our communities, he developed a deeply compassionate and comprehensive framework called recognition theory. His concept reveals that our deepest human need is not to accumulate objects or wealth, but to be truly seen, respected, and valued by the people around us. According to Axel Honneth, society is kept stable or thrown into conflict based on whether individuals receive the vital psychological validation they deserve, making the struggle for recognition the primary engine of all social progress. To fully understand Axel Honneth's work, we first need to define what the word recognition means in the context of human psychology and social life. In ordinary conversation, we often use the word recognition to mean identifying someone we know or giving someone an award for doing a good job. In sociology, Axel Honneth uses this term in a much deeper way. He argues that human beings are fundamentally social creatures who cannot develop a healthy identity, self-confidence, or self-worth in total isolation. We learn who we are by looking at how other people react to us. If the people around us treat us with warmth, respect, and appreciation, we develop a positive sense of self. Conversely, if society ignores us, devalues our work, or treats us like second-class citizens, our psychological foundation is severely damaged. Axel Honneth terms this painful experience misrecognition, and he argues that this emotional injury is the real spark that ignites social anger, political activism, and structural revolutions. According to Axel Honneth, a healthy human life requires 3 distinct forms of recognition, which he structures as 3 essential spheres of validation. The very first sphere is love, which takes place in our most intimate personal relationships, including our families, friendships, and romantic partnerships. In this private sphere, we receive unconditional care and emotional support simply for being who we are, independent of our achievements or social status. Axel Honneth explains that receiving love is absolutely crucial because it builds the foundational psychological layer of self-confidence. Without this basic emotional security, a person cannot learn to trust their own feelings, desires, or physical body, making it incredibly difficult for them to navigate the wider world. When love is withheld or replaced by abuse and neglect, the individual experiences a profound violation of their physical and emotional integrity. The second crucial sphere of validation described by Axel Honneth is the sphere of rights, which moves out of the private home and into the legal and political world. In this sphere, a person is recognized as a legal equal who possesses the exact same human rights and responsibilities as every other citizen in society. This means that the law protects your freedom of speech, your right to vote, and your safety, regardless of your background, gender, or social position. Axel Honneth explains that when a society grants you full legal rights, it sends a powerful message that you are a morally responsible individual who deserves equal respect. This form of recognition allows people to develop a healthy sense of self-respect. When a state actively denies rights to specific groups through institutional discrimination, segregation, or systemic injustice, it inflicts a deep moral injury that tells those groups they are worth less than everyone else, which naturally triggers a collective fight for legal justice. The third and final sphere of validation in Axel Honneth's framework is the sphere of solidarity, which is closely tied to our community, our work, and our social utility. It is not enough to be loved at home and respected by the law. Human beings also need to feel that their unique skills, talents, and daily labors actively contribute to the well-being of their society. In this sphere of solidarity, individuals receive community approval and cultural appreciation for the work they perform, whether they are teachers, doctors, sanitation workers, factory employees, or artists. Axel Honneth states that this community validation creates a vital feeling of self-esteem. When a culture looks down on certain professions, pays unfair wages, or treats essential workers as invisible and disposable, it severely damages their social standing. This systemic disrespect causes workers to feel deeply alienated and undervalued, which frequently leads to labor movements, unions, and social protests aimed at reclaiming occupational dignity. The true brilliance of Axel Honneth's theory lies in how it connects our private emotional experiences directly to massive historical transformations. He points out that social change does not happen because of abstract historical forces or simple economic shifts. It happens because ordinary individuals feel a deep, burning sense of moral indignation when their need for recognition is denied. When millions of individuals share the same quiet pain of being invisible, disrespected, or legally excluded, their private hurts transform into a collective voice. They realize that their suffering is not a personal failure, but a structural injustice. This shared realization forms a powerful bond of solidarity that drives them to march in the streets, demand new legislation, and challenge oppressive systems until society expands its moral boundaries to grant them the recognition they deserve. Ultimately, Axel Honneth's recognition theory offers us a deeply humane and illuminating lens through which we can understand our modern world. It forces us to look beyond numbers, statistics, and financial metrics to see the real human hearts that are affected by social structures. His work reminds us that a truly just and good society cannot be measured solely by its economic wealth or technological advancements. It must be measured by how well it loves its children, respects its citizens, and values its workers. By showing us that human dignity is built through the reciprocal loops of mutual visibility and appreciation, his philosophy invites us to practice empathy in our daily interactions, to stand up against all forms of social exclusion, and to build communities where every single person is seen, heard, and cherished for who they truly are. Thank you so much for taking the time to read through this detailed article on sociology, human psychology, and the transformative recognition theory of Axel Honneth. If you found this explanation clear, insightful, and helpful for understanding the deep emotional roots of social justice, personal relationships, and community solidarity, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Your wonderful support means absolutely everything to us and directly helps us continue producing high-quality, deeply researched, and easy-to-understand educational content that simplifies complex academic theories for curious minds all across the world. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video upload. And please feel free to share your own thoughts, questions, or personal reflections about dignity, respect, and recognition in the comments section below. We truly love reading your insightful perspectives and appreciate you being an active, incredible part of our growing digital community of learners.